So here is my old Fisher VHS deck. It's a FVH-P620. The main thing with this was just an idler roller, idler tire for the winding, and I bought some new ones, 59 cents, nice soft rubber. It's not like a water tap valve or something, because those are a little bit hard, but this is for another video recorder. But on the website it says it was 2 millimeters thick, but when I got it, it appeared to be 3. So I had two. One is in the mechanism, and I worked in some space in it, so it fits around the wheel of, what is it, a little bit more than 2 millimeters, and on the edge it is the width of this one, so it has some extra grip. So we have here the system board for all the, it's the micro controller for the threading, and the servos for the head drum and the capstan, etc. And this is the video processing board, 2 delay lines, one for the dropout, one for the color, a lot of Hitachi ICs. So what I wanted to show here is, because I removed everything here and I needed to reset the gears, and how that is done, there are some holes. I couldn't find it in the service manual, but there is a hole there and a hole here, and I put in a nail, and the nail goes all the way through the chassis. I cannot show it right now, but this nail goes all the way through the chassis, and if you look closely, in the white plastic gear is also a hole. Everything nice, lubricated again. A hole which goes through the chassis, you see, and that is the stop position, and that is the how to reset the gears, so the cam and the whole threading is lined out properly. So let's thread it. I replaced all the switches, at least all the switches for the transport, and those are the old. It had it's a 9.5 millimeter with an ESD pin. So the way this works is by resistance. So every button has its own resistance, and it is this. It's a logarithmic resistor array, so so that it can communicate just by 2 wires. It's just a resistance measurement. So let's say this is 3 kilo ohms, this is 10 kilo ohms, play is 100 kilo ohms, and that way you can easily make a 2-wire remote. I converted this remote a little bit because it's a different brand, but when I hit the play button, it threads and we have picture. And the nice thing about this thing is, when I hit pause, this is pause. And for a 2-head machine, it's very good. So you see, this light is the pause indicator. Tape is not moving now. So usually with a 2-head machine, you see noise. And now it's play again. So that's real nice. Okay. Let's thread it out. Then I'm going to put it aside for one moment. Put it straight. So the torque is real good now. So the torque while winding and rewinding, and that's the job of the idler wheel. I put some new brakes made out of bicycle rubber. Those are the old brakes. It didn't break at all. So now we have some good braking torque. And oh yeah, those guides, they crack, and I needed to file them down to make it it got stuck while threading. So but while filing down, it bends away a little bit, so you can push it with a screwdriver towards the opening and then file it just flush with the rest. So because this one it really got stuck while trying to thread. Those cracks are normal, you see it in every recorder. It's just the difference between expansion of steel and plastic. But when it gets caught, the carriage of the threading mechanism, you need to make it smooth again. So let's see if I think we have too much light. So let's cover the sensor here and press wind. It's too much light. So you hear the capstan motor going down when I do this. I just cannot stop it. I can't stop it. So it's really stronger than I would have ever imagined. So that worked out fine with the new rubber, because that was always the weak point of this. When I had it, it was always slipping when trying to wind the tape or rewind. So now it's a 4-hour tape and it spins just without even thinking about slipping, and it breaks very rapid. So yeah, I can put the cover on to make it look like a recorder again. So you get the idea. And then it's just good. Pictures good.
Dit programma wordt mede mogelijk gemaakt door Blue Wonder. Om de duidelijkste.
And this one, unlike many other players, it has the capstan inside the tape, and the modern drives have them all outside the tape. So that's just a little detail for old recorders. They have the capstan on the inside of the tape. So it goes there. That's the original location for this opening is the original location for the capstan. Well, now I can show you the brand new Adler. Right there. Nice and soft. It grips like very well. So yeah. New brakes, new Adler. In the past I put a few new capacitors in, but I don't remember what exactly. Tuner still works. Let's forward a little bit for the copyright. Slow speed is also very nice with this one. Let's see if I can show a little bit of the slow speed. So yeah, that's slow, also without any noise bars. So it's a real good job. For only a 2-head machine. I can prove that. So there you go. Only 4 wires, so only 2 heads. Dew sensor there. It has a heated head. Below this PCB, the yellow wires are for the heater. So yeah, nice one.